Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been searching for a way to keep your phone close to you while you're driving on the road? Well, I think I have your solution here with this phone holder mount. I love that it easily hooks into my air vent. So you just use this knob, turn it to the side, and it will extend the size of the hook, and it easily just clasps on to the back of the air vent. And then you just go ahead and tighten the knob by moving it to the right, and it'll go ahead and clamp on, but it'll reduce the size of this hook, so it'll actually just make it real snug on the back of your air vent. And it keeps it perfect in place, so it's not all over the place when you're driving around on the road. And I have a really bumpy ride to and from work, so I am looking for something that is going to stay in place. And this really does the job. I also love that carbon fiber look it has to it. It's really nice. And it has this cool little spot at the bottom where you can recharge your phone. So I love this phone holder mount. And if you're looking for something that is really good quality, doesn't cost too much, and is actually just really nice, super easy to use and put together, I think this is the phone holder mount for you, but that's just my point of view.